Hello students. Today we will see about the cytoplasm. So we already study about the cell wall and cell membrane. Then about the cytoplasm. So inside the plasma membrane, the cell contain a ground substance that is called as a cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. So this is a jelly-like material. It is not a static, or it is not a it's a continuously moving or jelly-like material. So it shows the streaming movement, and that is called as a cyclosis. Here the major component of cytoplasm is water. It also contains certain organic materials and inorganic material. So organic here the molecules, they are sugar, amino acid, vitamins, enzymes. Then inorganic like certain minerals. Then it also contains nucleotides, waste product. Cytoplasm that also contains various cell organelles. They are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastids, nucleus, and here the cytoskeletal elements like microtubules. So it's a cytoplasm, it acts as a source of raw material as well as it's a seat of various metabolic activities. Because various here the metabolic activities here excretion, digestion, secretions, they takes place in the cytoplasm. So here the location of these metabolic activities, that is the cytoplasm, because it contains various enzymes, organic material, inorganic material. Here the cytoplasm, it also helps in distribution and exchange of materials between the various cell organelles. That is the various cell organelles, they are formed from here the various another cell organelles. So the exchange of material means here there is an exchange of material from nucleus to ribosome. Then here the from Golgi complex to plasma membrane. So that can take place with the help of cytoplasm. So here the cell organelles, these are the parts of the cell, and here they carry out the specific functions. So these cell organelles, they coordinate with each other and they complete a specific task for the cell. Here the certain cell organelles, they are covered, they are the membrane bound like Golgi complex, lysosome, vesicles. So they are called as a endomembrane system of the cell. And here certain organelles, they having a distinct function, but they are not included under the endomembrane system. Endomembrane means the membrane which is present inside, and exomembrane like plasma membrane. So mitochondria or chloroplast, we know mitochondria, it's a powerhouse of the cell. Chloroplast, it's a site of photosynthesis. So they carry out a specific type of here the functions. Means mitochondria, it converts the chemical energy into heat energy. Chloroplast, it converts light energy into chemical energy. So here the mitochondria or chloroplast, they are not included in endomembrane system. So first cell organelle here we will study, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. Its short form, that is a ER. So it is in the form of a network which is present in all eukaryotic cell except RBC and ova. So we can study the detailed structure of the endoplasmic reticulum under the electron microscope. Here the endoplasmic reticulum, that is it is in the form of the here the vesicles, tubules. So it's a little or it's a small here the network like structure. It is associated with the nuclear envelope, means it is joined to the nuclear envelope at one end and at another end there is a plasma membrane. Here the 50% it forms the 50% of total membrane of the eukaryotic cell. So it divides the cytoplasm into two parts, one within the lumen of ER, that is called as a laminal cytoplasm, and non-laminal cytoplasm which is present outside the ER. Here as I say, that is the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum, it is continuous with nuclear envelope at one end and at another end with till the plasma membrane. So it gives support, it acts as a framework, it maintains the position of various cell organelle, that is the main function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Here we can see that is the endoplasmic reticulum, it is of two types, smooth ER and rough ER. Here smooth ER means here here the ribosomes, they are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. But if the ribosomes, they are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, it is called as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Means here in the smooth ER, ribosomes, they are absent, but in the rough ER, ribosomes, they are present. Here what are the functions of the smooth ER? So they are involved in various processes. They helps in synthesis of lipids. Means here the various glands, adrenal gland or organs like testes, ovaries. So they contain steroid secreting cells. So that are means here the ER that helps in the secretions of the steroid in that glands or organ. Then it also helps in detoxification of the drugs and the poisons. So mainly the detoxification that carried out in the liver. Detoxification means removal of the toxic here the effect. So that is the liver cells, the ER in the liver cells that helps in the detoxification. Then it also helps in the storage of the calcium ions. Then rough ER, so as the ribosomes, they are present on their surface, it helps in the protein synthesis, because we know that is the ER ribosomes, they act as the protein factories. So here the proteins that are secreted by ribosome, they are attached to the ER. They are called as the secretory proteins. Then here the proteins, they are wrapped in the membrane, and these proteins get here the bursts off and from the transitional region of the ER. Such membrane bound protein depart from ER as a transport vesicle. Here the rough ER that is also involved in formation of the membrane of the cell. Here the ER membrane grows placed by addition of membrane protein and phospholipid of its own. Means here the mainly the ER that rough ER that are involved in the formation of the membrane. So here the pancreatic cells that secretes the insulin, means that ER, rough ER that are involved in the protein synthesis. So that is about the endoplasmic reticulum, that is a smooth ER and a rough ER. In the next session we will study about the Golgi complex. So students, if you having any queries, you can ask in the comment box. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.